Okay, Devansh, let's first start with the yes, we'll be first starting with the speaking part, and then we'll be doing writing task one, and at the end we are going to do listening. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so you keep yourself unmuted. Could you please tell me your full name?
Devansh Nitin Kumar Chawda.
Sentence में बोल बेटा.
My name is Devansh Nitin Kumar Chawda.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Nadiad in Kheda district.
Okay, હજુ બોલ 2 થી 3 સેન્ટેન્સમાં બોલવાનું હોય ના. So what else you can speak? I live in Nadiad
I
in
live in
Kheda district.
and state Gujarat.
Mm-hmm. It is famous for.
Nothing.
Okay. Did you enjoy your childhood?
Yes, I enjoyed my childhood very much.
Hmm. How?
Like I used to play with my friends and also enjoy at the school time.
Okay. Can you remember a birthday you enjoyed a lot as a child?
Yes, when I was 6, uh, it was the first time when my parents invited my friends to my home for the birthday party. So at that time, we friends enjoy a lot together, play together. So it was most memorable birthday ever.
Okay. If I talk about art, are you interested in art and craft?
No, I'm not interested in art and craft.
Why?
Why? Because it I feel bored when I do art and crafts. Also, watching the art, I don't usually like it.
Okay. If I talk about home, what facilities are there near your home?
You know,
Yes, what facilities are there near your home?
there are very few facilities near my home because I live in the outskirts of the city. But there is a hospital near to my home and also a temple. Um, Nothing more.
Okay. Which place do you like to visit with your friends and family?
Uh, with friends, I would like to visit mountain ranges, Himachal Pradesh, and with my family, I would like to visit uh,
Okay. Okay.
temples.
With whom you find it more comfortable to travel, friend or family, and why?
Actually, I find safe to travel with my family because they are always careful to me. But with friends, we do all the mischievous things, so it is little unsafe.
Okay, not an issue. I'm giving you a cue card topic. Give me a moment. So, if you have a paper or a pencil with you, please take it. Nahi lidu, paper and pencil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'll be displaying it on the whiteboard, and you prepare it.
Okay.
All right. Just a minute. Repeat ના થતું હોય એટલું જોજે હા.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, એમાં white board નથી આવતો. Okay. I hope now you can see this. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Describe a famous business person that you know about, and you should say who this person is, what kind of business this person is involved in, and what you know about this business person. Okay, these are your bullet points, so you have to prepare on it.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Done. Done with the preparation.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now you need to speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, start speaking. You have 2 minutes to speak.
The famous business person that I know is Elon Musk. He is one of the richest person in the world. He was born in Canada, and was raised in Canada, and then he studied in UK from in commerce and arts. But later he decided to learn by himself, and he founded uh, Zip2, a company with his brother, and then he sold that company to Compaq. Then with the money he received, he founded SpaceX, but in early stages of his company life, he was always always failed in all the attempts, but the later
Hmm.
he succeeded. He's CEO of SpaceX, Tesla, Boring Company, the solar company, and co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. Also, he suggested
Hmm.
the Hyperloop concept to the world, and he told to the world that everyone can use this concept for better and fastest means of transportation.
Hmm. You need to speak more. Try. What else you know about this business person?
He Even though he is busy, he is always interactive with his fans on the Twitter. He
Hmm.
is also sometimes funny, and also he is always reacting to the comments or the small types of meme in the social media. He is always a great personality for all the
Stop.
great
Stop.
personalities for
Stop.
all
Stop.
the.
You cannot say Devansh that he reacts to all the comments, or he share his opinion or suggestions, you know. So ing ફોર્મ ક્યારે યુઝ કરવાનું છે, એડી ફોર્મ ક્યારે યુઝ કરવાનું, થોડું આપણે પેસિવમાં બી બોલી શકીએ, right? All the responses are given by him, that is passive. So you need to show a grammar range. When you say that you are good in language, you need to show by showing the range of grammar, and it is one of your factor in marks. 25 weightage, 25% of weightage છે એને, right? તો આપણે એ પ્રમાણે એમાં માર્ક્સ ગેઇન કરવાનું. ક્લિયર?
Yes, ma'am.
ઓકે દેવાંશ, ફ્લુએન્સી સારું છે, પણ થોડું આપણે પોઝેસ બી રાખીએ. લિંકર યુઝ કર, થોડું કનેક્ટ કર તારા આઈડિયાઝને, ઇન એડિશન ટુ, મોર ઓવર, એ બધું કહીને. ક્લિયર?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I would like to now move towards phase three. If I talk about the business person, do you think it is easy to do business?
No, it is very hard to do business because in the starting of our business, we will see lots of failure.
One can see a
Then
lot of failures.
yeah, one faces lot of failure, but
Hmm.
then we may succeed.
Okay. What do you think that a survey or a kind of a research is necessary before opening a small business or a huge business?
Yeah, definitely yes. It is always and it is necessary to do the research in any field you are going to work with in the future.
Okay, why?
Because we have to see the possibility of that of that business in the future, that what will be its result.
Hmm.
Maybe it can be fail if we go in the wrong path without doing a research, so it is very necessary. uh, it is necessary.
Okay. If I talk about the supermarkets, do you think that because of more and more supermarkets in the cities, now the small stores are getting affected?
Yes, they are getting affected because moreover people like
Moreover,
to.
people nahi aayega bhi. Yes, they are getting affected because people are visiting to supermarkets as they find all the product under one roof. In addition to or moreover, ऐसे use होता है. Clear? Try to speak it again.
Yes, many people like to visit supermarket because they will find all the types of
Hmm.
grocery under one roof, and also they will receive some amount of discount, which are not there in uh, small markets or local shops.
Okay, fine. Uh, which kind of business is famous among the people of your country and why? Hmm. Which business is famous among the people of your country and why?
Uh, Restaurant is the famous business. Restaurant. Can we use restaurant?
Anything is fine.
Uh, because of huge population of my country, many of the people start to think to do business in restaurant, open and restaurant. So
Hmm.
that's why they
They
start a restaurant, or use restaurant as their startup.
Okay. It's good in all. Your attempt is good, Devansh, right? So yes, I can score you 6 months, right? Devansh, I would like to know some more things apart from today's session. Like where you're staying right now means અત્યારે તમે કઈ રહો છો કોલેજ પાછા આયા છો કે ઘરે જ છો એમ
Correct, ma'am.
means you're not in Vidyanagar.
Ma'am, I'm living at Nadiad.
You live in Nadiad.
Yes,
Okay. So it is not possible for you to come in physical classes or something Saturday or Sunday.
possible, ma'am.
Possible है आपके लिए?
Yes, possible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And what about Kalapika if you're here, beta?
Ma'am, I'm in Vadodara.
You're in Vadodara, so you
Yes.
cannot definitely come, right?
Sorry?
You cannot come, right?
Yes.
To Vidyanagar.
Mm.
Yeah, not an issue till then. And when you're planning to book your dates or anything, both of you, when you're planning to take your date or
Ma'am,
giving exam or something,
after mid-sem of seventh semester, it will be around October.
hmm,
It will be around October.
you're thinking around October to book the date, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Kalapika, તારું planning શું છે બેટા?
Not within 2 years.
Not within 2 years. Okay, fine. What you're doing currently?
Uh, Electronics engineering.
Okay,
એટલે એનું હજી 1 વર્ષ બાકી છે.
all
Fourth
right,
year.
all right. Not an issue. This is just to guide. I don't know because I need to know which intake you're planning so that I can also ask and I can help you if you need to book the date or whatever intake you're planning. That's why I asked this question. It's okay, whichever intake you're planning, let me know so that it is not too late for you to apply. Clear with
Okay,
this?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. તારે 2022 નું ઇન્ટેક કરવાનું છે
No, ma'am.
Yes.
20.
કલાપિકા
Ma'am,
તારું કેવી રીતે 2022 ઇન્ટેક તો નહીં આવે રાઈટ
2022 में.
Okay. So see, there are two intakes. Jan, I think, 2022 and I think 1 सितंबर होगा 2022. तो दोनों में से आपको किस में जाना है?
September 2022, ma'am.
Okay. And Kalapika, yours?
डिसाइड नहीं किया.
ओके, डिसाइड करके मुझे बताना, ठीक है? बिकॉज देयर इज अ डेडलाइन, आपका वो रिजल्ट आएगा एंड यू डू द प्रोसीजर एंड एवरीथिंग. तो वो डेडलाइन होती है हर कॉलेजेस की. So it should
Yes.
not be too late for you. That's why you have to tell me once you decided and decide prior. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. Kalapika, I'll start with you. Devansh, please wait for a while.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? એવું હશે તો દેવાંશ તારું listening check કરી લે ને ત્યાર સુધી આન્સર છે આગળ ઓડિયોમાં
Yes, ma'am. Check. कर लीधું check.
કરી લીધું? ઓકે, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. કલાપિકાનું હું સ્પીકિંગ પતાઈને પછી તને કહું. ઓકે, બ્રેઇનસ્ટોર્મિંગ કરી રાખજે ત્યાં સુધી રાઇટિંગ ટાસ્ક 1 નો.
Okay, ma'am.
ઓકે, કલાપિકા, could you please tell me your full name?
My name is Kalapika Waghela.
Hmm. Which type of food do you like to eat?
Sorry.
Which type of food do you like to eat?
I like Chinese food because it suits my taste and it is spicy.
Okay. Uh, do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook, but I don't get time to cook and I don't know how to cook, so I have to learn cooking.
Okay. Uh, if I talk about high school and hometown, where is your hometown?
My hometown uh, um, is in a city called Vadodara.
Hmm. Okay. How often do you visit your hometown?
My college is nearer to my hometown, so I'm always at my home.
Okay. Okay. Do you still keep in touch with your friends from high school?
After my college, I could not be in contact with my high school friends.
Okay. Do you miss your life in high school?
Yes, I miss. Um,
Hmm.
yes, I miss those days because uh,
Hmm.
those those days were foundation for the person who I am.
Okay. What's your favorite subject in high school?
My favorite subject was math because I found it very easy.
Okay. Uh, do you live in a joint family or a extended family?
Yes, I live in joint family where I have a grandmother, grandfather, and my parents and a brother.
Okay. Uh, if I talk about television or books, do you like watching television?
Uh, I don't like watching television because these days everything is available on phone. So I usually watch the
Hmm.
uh, all the episodes on phone.
Okay, fine. I'm giving you a cue card topic. Please write it down.
Yes,
Okay. Write down.
yes.
Describe a positive change in your life. Describe a positive change in your life.
Mm,
You should say, you should say
yes,
what the change was about. You should say what the change was about.
yes,
When it happened, when it happened.
yes,
Describe details of the change happened. Describe details of the change happened. And
yes,
explain how it affected you later in life. How it affected you later in life.
yes,
Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, start preparing. You have 1 minute to prepare.
Okay.
બરોબર આપણે એક સ્ટુડન્ટ છે ઉત્સવ સનાતન પટેલ તુલસી એમનો ફોન હતો હમણાં એટલું તો તમે કહેતા નહીં કોઈને કે મને મેડમ આ બધું શું કર્યું બધું કહેતા તમારું શું કેવું છે એટલે તો તમે કહેતા નહીં કે છોકરા નંબર મોકલાવાનું એક્ઝેક્ટલી બસ પેલો કહું વિરાજ હતું વિરાજ ખાલી વિરાજ દયામાં જે મોકલાયો તો નંબર એક્સ્ટ્રા Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please start speaking.
There were many changes that happened in my life, but one major change that I can talk about is my attitude towards study. When I was in 11th standard, uh, every subject seemed to be easy to get marks, and so I took it very lightly. And uh, and then I took it lightly, and so I did not study subjects well. So I 11th standard went very well, but we have board exams over here at 12th standard. So maths and physics exam went well, but chemistry I did not study very well for chemistry, and so the uh, when I gave the exam, I was not confident that I would pass the exam. So when I checked the marks that I would get, so it was 50% marks. So I got very scared. I almost had a feeling that I would fail it, but then my brother motivated me and uh, then guided me that these studies are important, and so if you study well, you will get good marks and you will go through it. And so when I'm in college, I keep that thing in mind and I try to get good scores, and so that affects my band, and which uh, those bands gives a good impression on my resume.
Mm-hmm.
It almost changed my life, because if I had not gone through that moment, so I would not get the importance of getting marks or
You can
getting.
stop. Okay,
Yes.
good. Fine. If I talk about the positive changes, do you think it is necessary that all the changes should be seems to be positive?
The changes, for some person, the changes would not seem to be positive. Some might take it as a negative way. So
Hmm.
it depends on the one who how the one takes the change.
Okay. So, if I talk about the changes, right? Do you think that person should always try to bring some or the other change in their life? Is that a good part?
Yes, I think that is a good part, because it somewhere affects their whole life, and that small change can change their life drastically.
Okay. If you, what kind of changes should youngster bring to the to your country, according to you?
According to me, some good habits like reading books and involving in different activities, waking up early and keeping oneself fit are some changes that could help them.
Okay. સારું છે. Let me try to change the topic. When I talk about the countries, it is being said that now the brain drain has increased in each and every country. Why people have started migrating to other countries, leaving their own home country?
Some, I think some people want to explore the other parts of world, and so they go there and explore there. And other countries have many things to offer to them, like good opportunities, uh, uh, colleges, good universities, good education. So
Oh, hmm.
attracted towards migrating to other.
Okay. Okay. Great. In all, it is good, right? I can again give you six bands. Again, you have to take care that you're using fillers or linkers. It would help you to gain more bands in terms of vocabulary or coherence and fluency. ओके.
Okay.
आपका और देवांश का दोनों का बहुत फ्लैट नहीं होना चाहिए. पॉजेस आने चाहिए, थोड़े रेंज दिखने चाहिए. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस का यूज करो. नॉट ओनली दिस इज द केस बस, बट ऑल्सो एट टाइम्स दिस इज हैपनिंग, तो कंपाउंड के यूज करो. ट्राई टू शो मल्टीपल और टेक मल्टीपल वेटेज, राइट? हर एक का इंडिविजुअली मार्किंग है. 25% ऑफ वेटेज यू हैव, सो यू हैव टू अर्न दोज वेटेज. At least if I get 20% of weightage in my hand, थोड़े से भी mistakes निकाल के, तो I can be able to reach more than 6.5 bands. Clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. So now your speaking is done. I'll be doing with writing task 1. Just a second. Okay. Now I'm sharing this image. Let me know if you're able to see. Just a second. Okay, can you see this image?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now, looking at the image, I think I have written the question separately. So, when you have this image, first looking at the question, I need to do that what, where, when. Remember? What में क्या आएगा? Type and information ये आएंगे. Where के अंदर क्या आएगा? Categories. When में क्या आएगा? Time period. And last में आएगा scale. Here it talks about in the question, a diagram below give information about the Eiffel Tower in Paris and an outline project to extend it underground. So it's a diagram that you have today, picture diagram. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You also call it as map, but उसके बाद उन्होंने picture diagram भी दिया है. So ये आप map बोल सकते हो, but this is clearly a picture diagram, right? Now, this is what I have. Eiffel Tower के बारे में information, and ये projection के बारे में हुआ इतना. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Eiffel Tower में क्या बनने वाला है नीचे, like that. So first I'll be describing about the map. So what I'll be speaking here, this is river Seine. Okay, so I can say first in the introduction, the pictorial diagram provides the information about what Eiffel Tower in Paris and an outline sketch. Now they have said that an outline project. So project को I am saying the term sketch for extending कहाँ पे? Underground, right? Here you can say body paragraph 1 में this one you can talk about the map. छोटा होगा पर चलेगा but दोनों separately होना चाहिए because this is indicating the location and this would be in future tense. Why? Because it is going to be like this. Outline project है ना, sketch to extend it outline, तो कौन से tense में आएगा?
Future tense.
Future.
Great. Now to begin with, Eiffel Tower is situated near river Seine. Spelling देख के लिखना please. Okay. Now Eiffel Tower का height कितना है? Its height is 324 meters. Okay. You can say it is a metal structure which weighs कितना है weight? 10,100 tons. It also has two viewing platform, right? तो जहाँ पे ये लोकेटेड है, अगर आपको ये नाम भी लेना है तो चलेगा. Eiffel Tower is located near river Seine. Okay, and also it is near to Alcol Military and Hotel Invalides, right? You can also say this if you want to. With this, you will be talking about the Eiffel Tower, that its height is 324 meter, and it is a metal made up of a metal structure which weighs 1,000 and 100 tons. 10,000 and 100 tons. There are two platforms in this. First platform is situated at 50 of about like of 57 meters, right? You can use this term, or you can say the first viewing platform is 57 meters. Okay, and the second platform is at 115 meters, which is connected. केवी रीते connect કર્યું છે? Can you see these platforms? Present में ये Eiffel Tower इतना है, right? तो इसके बारे में explain हो गया. ये जो दो viewing platforms हैं, उसके बारे में हमने कहा. First viewing platform है वो कहाँ पे place किया है? 57 meters पे. और जो दूसरा viewing platform है वो कितने meters पे, क्या height है उसकी? 115 meters
100.
के height पे है, right? और दोनों के बीच में जो steps है वो कितना है? 1665 steps से उसे connect किया गया है. So you can also say that these are connected with 1665 steps. Clear with this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now we are going to talk about this, right? Which would be in which tense? Future tense. So this is your body 2. What you'll be talking in body 2, in addition to, there will be now plan to extend it underground by having how many floors? How many floors it
I
will have? 5 floors in it. Okay, so we individually આપણે દરેક floor explain કરીશું. Right here, the first floor will be what? The first floor will work as an entrance to the tower. Okay,
am
which
a
will have a,
ticketer.
yes, ticket office and access to the tower, right? Where they will get a entry pass. Besides this, there is a second floor. Yes, that will be for shopping centers, that will work as a shopping center and restaurants. Yes, apart from it, in third floor, it will consist of a complete entertainment such as cinema and museum, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, And એના પછી finally the last 2 floors will consist of underground parking area. Yes, you can also
Yeah.
say there are 2 elevations of 2 what? There are also
Lifts.
planned to make, yes, you can also call it as elevators or lift on both the side of what? Both the side of construction. આ જે construct થશે આ બંને સાઈડ પર શું થશે? Lift construct થશે. Yes, which
Yes.
would make what? Lift સેના માટે construct થશે? Which would make convenient for the people to travel from one floor to other.
So,
Okay, this construction will be done under the, ये जो construction किया है lift के, वो construction कहाँ पे किया जाएगा? Under the foundation of,
tower.
yes,
Eiffel Tower.
yes, and roof. अब इस construction का roof ऊपर हुआ, so roof किसका बनेगा? Glass ceiling का, so that visitors can have a clear view of the tower from the down. Clear with this?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so I'll be repeating once again. In introduction, you will say the pictorial diagram provide information about the Eiffel Tower in Paris and an outline sketch for extending it underground, right? In body 1, write down. To begin with, Eiffel Tower is situated near the river Seine, okay, which is this one, near the river Seine. Its height is 324 meter. It is a metal structure which weighs up to 10,100 tons. Okay. It also has 2 viewing platforms. The first viewing platform is situated at 57 meter and the second one is at 115 meters. Between the two platforms, there are steps which is connected with 1665 steps. Now in body 2, I will say, in addition to this, there will be now plans to extend it underground by having 5 floors or by constructing 5 floors in it. Here the first floor will be entrance to the tower with the entry pass. Besides this, the second floor will be what? The shopping and the refreshment. Next, apart from this, the third floor will consist of a complete entertainment, that is cinema and museum. Okay. Finally, the last 2 floors will consist of underground parking area. Right? There are also plans, or there will be also a plan to make 2 elevators on both the sides of the construction, which would make people convenient to travel from one floor to another floor, right? This construction will be done under the foundation of the tower. The roof will be of a glass ceiling so that the visitors can have a clear view of the tower from the down. Clear? अब इसका overall क्या आएगा?
Yes.
The outstanding feature or the main feature of this construction is what? To attract clearly more number of people. Yes, tourist को attract करने के लिए
Yes.
हुआ है ना development. To attract more number
Yes,
of
ma'am.
people under one roof. Yes? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. कलापिका ते answers check करी ली तो listening ना?
Yes.
Okay, great. So please ask me if there is any doubt. Let me know if there is any doubt. No? Okay, everything is clear, Pakka?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your corrections, I will do it by tomorrow and I'll give it to you together. ઓકે, ઇફ પોસિબલ આજે રાઇટિંગ ટાસ્ક 1 જ હતું એ પ્લીઝ લખીને સાંજ સુધી મોકલી આપજો. સો આઈ ટેક પ્રિન્ટ આઉટ્સ ટુગેધર પોસિબલ હોય
Okay,
તો.
ma'am.
ઓકે, એટલું બસ ખ્યાલ રાખજો.
Okay.
રાઇટિંગ ટાસ્ક ટુ ઇટ્સ અપ ટુ યુ, જ્યારે તમારે આપવું હોય એ તો કાલે ડિસ્કસ થશે, તો યુ કેન ગીવ ઇટ ઓન યોર ઓન ટાઈમ. બટ ટાસ્ક 1 હશે તો મને આપી દેજો એ પ્રમાણે, રાઈટ? આઈ ટેક ધી પ્રિન્ટ આઉટ્સ એકોર્ડિંગલી. એન્ડ મે બી બાય એવું હશે બંને ટાસ્ક લખાઈ જશે કાલે, ટાસ્ક 1 એન્ડ ટાસ્ક 2
હા મેમ, લખાઈ જશે.
લખાઈ જશે. તો મને એક કામ કરજો, કાલ સાંજ સુધી મોકલજો. સો જે તમારા 2 સેશન્સ હવે થયા છે ને, લાસ્ટ સેટરડે સન્ડે એન્ડ ધીસ સેટરડે સન્ડે, એ હું પ્રિન્ટ કાઢીને સાથે તમને ફીડબેક આપી દઈશ. ઓકે, બાય મંડે.
Okay.
ઓકે ફાઇન. સો વી કેન સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ લિસનિંગ. દેવાંશ મને એક હેલ્પ કરને બેટા, ગૂગલ વેબ પરથી ટીમ્સ ઓપરેટ કરીએ તો આમાં લિસનિંગ શેર થાય, ઓડિયો સંભળાશે?
No idea about it.
The teams no idea nahi. Kalapika, if you have an idea.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then let your ma'am try something now. I hope that this would work, but let's see.
Section 1. You will hear a male student talking to a union representative.
Laptop sale વાળું જ હતું ને?
Yes.
હા.
Yes ma'am.
So let me know if you're able to listen or not, huh?
About placing an advertisement to sell a laptop. First,
Yes ma'am, audible.
to
Audible છે?
Yeah.
Seriously?
હા ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hush, thank you. Chalo, we'll start now. It is audible then. Scores કેટલા આયા તમારા બંને જણા?
34.
I'm so sorry. 30?
4.
Both of you 34?
મેમ મારા 37 છે.
તારા 37 છે. Okay. And properly answers mark કરી દીધું તું?
Yes.
હા મેમ, પ્રોપર.
Okay, fine. આપણે રિવ્યુ ચાલુ કરી દઈએ. એક મિનિટ હા. Just a second. Okay. Starting થી play કરું છું.
First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5.
1 to 5 માં કઈ doubt છે?
No
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
બધું right આવ્યું છે 1 to 5 માં?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Then 6 and 7.
No ma'am.
એ બી right છે?
હા.
કલાપિકા 6, 7.
એટલે પ્રિન્ટર સાથે મેં ખાલી સ્કેનર સાંભળ્યું તો હેડફોન્સ ના લખ્યું મેં.
Okay. So let me just come with that. Printer with so and so. આમાં આપ્યું છે ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શનમાં write no more than 3 words and an odd number. એટલે તે પેલું નહીં લખ્યું. જોઈ લઈએ necessary હતું કે નહીં. એકવાર જોઈ લઈએ. Okay.
I take it you are a member of the Students' Union.
Yes.
સંભળાય છે right?
I'll just get a form
Yes,
up,
ma'am.
Okay.
and as there is no one around and it looks as if it's going to be quiet for a while, I'll just type the details straight into the computer for you.
Thanks very much.
No problem. Shall we just title it Laptop for Sale?
Yeah, okay.
Can you describe it generally?
Well, memory is only 0.5 gigabytes. Some people don't like using a touchpad.
What about ports or holes for attaching things to the laptop?
It's got 2 ports. One thing is that it's not wireless.
Right, okay.
No more than 3 words ની લિમિટ આપી છે ને તો
Now
ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન
listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન પ્રમાણે આન્સર જરૂરી લાગે તો એટલું કન્સિડર કરી લેવાનું કલાપિકા ઓકે એના માટે એક બેન્ડ આપણે પાછળ થઈ જઈએ છે એટલે
Anything else I can put on the advertisement?
There's a webcam built at the top of the screen. I can throw in a printer, scanner, and headphones, which I got with it in a special deal.
okay so you can write scanners and headphones should be written beta okay because he listed it तो वो सारे लिस्ट में प्रिंटर्स तो उसने लिखा हुआ है ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में तो बाकी 2 आपको लिखने थे ठीक है नॉट एन इश्यू नेक्स्ट टाइम टेक केयर 7 राइट છે बेटा
Yes, ma'am.
okay 8 9 and 10
Yes, right.
देवांश देवांश કઈ છો 8 9 10 રાઈટ છે Are you here, Devansh? કઈ ગાયબ થઈ ગયો દેવાંશ can you listen to me હા તારે 8 9 10 રાઈટ છે બેટા એમ પૂછું છું
sorry ma'am, right sir.
Okay, fine. So section 2 ની અંદર 11, 12, 13 and 14.
It also comes with its.
In good condition.
Put that.
Right.
11, 12, right છે?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
13, 14, 15.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Okay.
But before we all the time to look at questions
16, 17, 18.
17 wrong છે ma'am.
Okay, 16,
Emma-
17. હા. Okay.
એમાં મને એવું લાગ્યું કે એ બધા બોક્સમાં જે ABCD છે ને એ બધા કશાક તો ફ્લોરમાં નાખી દેવાનું એવું લાગ્યું મને તો મેં બધા ફ્લોરમાં બે લખી દીધું હતું પછી જ્યારે હું પાછું યાદ કરવા ગઈ તો પછી યાદ ના આવ્યું કે કયા ફ્લોર પર કઈ એટલે એ ત્રણે એવું રોંગ થઈ ગયું
કઈ વાંધો નહીં ચલો સોલ્વ કરી લઈએ સાથે Question 16 to 18 શું કહે છે which floor contains which amenities you have to choose from A to F right so આ ground floor માં કઈ amenities છે એવી રીતે
16 to 20. So questions 16 to 20.
Now for the various amenities. You see that the club has quite a large capacity. It is arranged over 3 floors. There is a lift by the reception and the stairs. On the ground floor, there are 2 large halls, which are used for yoga, tai chi, Pilates, dance and fitness classes for different age groups. Shop and cafeteria over here.
with the shop and cafeteria he didn't talk about therapy rooms therapy માટે નતું કીધું એમના ગ્રાઉન્ડ ફ્લોરમાં એમને શું કીધું કે બે હોલ છે જેમાં તમે એક્ટિવિટીઝ કરી શકો છો લાઈક યોગા એન્ડ એવરીથિંગ with also shops and cafeteria over here એટલે કઈની વાત કરે છે એ ગ્રાઉન્ડ ફ્લોરની વાત કરે છે તો હું કયો લેટર માર્ક કરીશ આ એમિનિટીઝ માંથી શું અવેલેબલ છે
E.
E.
Cafeteria.
ઓકે E Next, first floor માટે.
On the first floor, we have a full range of fitness machines, which are available in the large central hall, around which there are various offices.
Okay. First floor માં fitness machine છે. Now, fitness machine can also not be relatable to any of the things that is taught upstairs. Upper, right? But they said around which there are many what? આજુબાજુમાં શું છે વધારે? Offices, he says, na? Around which there are various offices. સાંભળ્યું તું?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
સાંભળ ફરી.
Ground floor, there are two large halls, which are used for yoga, tai chi, Pilates, dance and fitness classes for different age groups. Shop and cafeteria over here. On the first floor, we have a full range of fitness machines, which are available in the large central hall, around which there are various offices.
સાંભળ્યું હવે?
Changing rooms are open.
Around which there are various offices. એટલે શું માર્ક કરીશ તું આમાં?
Okay.
ખબર પડી હવે?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. લો,
Next.
various પછી નતું ખબર પડી.
કઈ વાંધો નહીં. તે ઓફિસ મિસ કરી દીધું તું ને વર્ડ?
અમે word જ નતું ખબર પડી.
અચ્છા, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. હવે ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો બેટા દેવાંશ?
Yes, ma'am.
ઓકે. નેક્સ્ટ, સેકન્ડ ફ્લોર.
Also on this floor. On the second floor, there is a series of small therapy rooms with waiting areas for clients.
હવે એને ક્લિયરલી શું કીધું? There are series of એટલે number of small which rooms? Yes, Kalapika. Therapy rooms. એટલે 18 માં શું આવે આન્સર? B. ક્લિયર થઈ ગયું બધાને? ઓકે. Anybody 19, 20? Devansh, Kalapika, both of you?
Yes, ma'am. 19.
19th.
These may be booked by individual therapists. There are also 3 classrooms, which are used for teacher training and group therapy classes. We have a very extensive therapy training program accredited to the University of Manly, with training in counseling, for which we have 3 programs at the moment.
How many programs he has at the moment? Counseling માં શું કીધું એને?
3 programs.
Okay.
As regards the various types of yoga, acupuncture, and the Alexander technique, there are currently 9 different training classes going on.
ખબર પડી? So નીચે શું લખ્યું છે? 9 classes. So number માં શું આવ્યું નીચે? 9. એટલે આપણે ઉપર શું લખ્યું હતું? 3. 3 different classes he says, right? So 3 becomes that number. Clear?
Information about the training can be obtained from the brochure, which you can pick up at reception and from the club website. There will be a chance to talk to trainers for those interested in counseling this Saturday at 10 a.m.
So उन्होंने ये वाला बाद में कहा कि काउंसलिंग करनी हो तो सैटरडे 10 AM को आप कर सकते हो.
For yoga, etc., there will also be an informal gathering of trainers on Thursday at 4:30 p.m.
So Thursday 4:30 PM. No more than 2 words and or number लिखा है. That means आपको कैसे लिखना है? 2 words बोला है. तो आप Thursday लिख सकते हो. And number में क्या लिखोगे? 4:30. So it would be counted to. Clear? But दोनों mention होना चाहिए the way it is mentioned above in the terms of example. Yes or no? એકલું 4:30 नहीं ચાલે. Right? So days be mentioned કરાય because word limit એટલી already આપી છે and required છે. Okay? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. Next.
You will hear a female and a male student.
21. Anyone 21?
No, ma'am.
No. 22?
No.
Kalapika 21, 22 તારું?
That's right, ma'am.
Okay. 23 and 24?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 25, 26.
No.
Kalapika Taru bhi nahi?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. 27, 28.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. 29 and 30.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
29.
29. Okay. Kalapika Taru 21 to 30 બધું જ correct છે?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So Devansh, I'll play for you.
Industrial setting to the group on the 2nd of December. Question of it not being thorough.
I think we were a bit too chatty and too jokey at times rather than formal.
Okay, what do you think were the best areas? And which do you think can be improved?
Well, everything could have been improved. I felt very good about the handouts. We'd spent a lot of time putting them together. They had a very professional appearance.
Too much material into it, and people got distracted by it. Perhaps you could have.
The PowerPoint slides out of sequence, and I had difficulty getting back on track.
I think you could have done with a bit more practice with the equipment beforehand.
Before you hear the rest of them through well, I think. We wanted to show how Europe was lagging behind other areas of the world.
Yeah, I think they were clearly set out.
Yes, agreed. No comment there.
The diagrams and charts were appropriate.
Yes, I have put that too.
They did work well in helping to illustrate and break up the presentation by cutting down on the number of words and text on the screen. What about delivery?
Well, I think our performance was average.
It was difficult to coordinate speaking
So here 28 was average.
and presenting the material at the same time.
Listen the voice of tutor, what he suggests needs the dash. Okay, Devansh?
I was quite self-conscious of what I was doing. It was down to a lack of experience.
Unfortunately, both of you had the habit of standing in front of the projectors and you kept blocking the image on the screen. To me, this is the area that requires the most.
Okay, required, that means needs the most improvements if आपको लिखना था. Clear? Devansh?
Needs
Okay.
the image नहीं आता मैम.
Sorry?
Needs the image ना आवे.
Image नहीं. Suggest tutor શું કર્યું? Tutor આવું તો સ્ટેટમેન્ટમાં કીધું નહીં. સાંભળ ફરી.
Coordinate speaking and presenting the material at the same time.
આ થયો, right?
I was quite self-conscious of what I was doing. It was down to a lack of experience.
Unfortunately, both of you had the habit of standing in front of the projectors.
Tutor શું કીધું? Unfortunately, both of you have a habit to stand in front of the projector, due to which એ લોકો પ્રોજેક્ટરની સામે ઊભા થઈ જાય, due to which what was happening, people were not able to see the image.
You kept blocking the image on the
You kept blocking the image on the screen.
screen. To me, this is the area that requires the most.
So to me, this is the area. This is the area means you should not stand in front of the projector. That is what he explained it. So needs the most improvement is the same sentence where he used the term needs ki jagya requires the most improvement.
The section on the predictions of the commercial application in the future.
Screen. What about delivery?
Well, I think
Sorry.
our performance.
I was quite self-conscious of what I was doing.
Standing in front of the projector, so you kept blocking the image on the screen. To me, this is the area that requires the most.
The section on the predictions of the commercial application.
હવે ખબર પડી દેવાંશ? It wasn't about their image. Their image is proper, but their delivery means કેવી રીતે એ લોકો present કરે છે. તો એમાં ટ્યુટરને શું લાગ્યું કે એ લોકો present કરતા ટાઈમે પ્રોજેક્ટરની સામે આવી જાય છે. This needs an improvement. હવે ખબર પડી? Image નહીં આવે બેટા.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 30.
Future, I think appeared a bit haphazard.
અમાર 24th ક્વેશ્ચનમાં 1/3 આન્સર છે તો આપણે 1 પછી નીચે ડેશ કરીને C અને R D એવું લખી શકીએ.
24th માં કહું છું? Write no more than 3 words and or a number. હા લખી શકું છું. આન્સરમાં નહીં આપ્યું કદાચ, right?
હા
ચાલશે, લખી શકો છો, કારણ કે ઓપ્શનમાં નંબર આપ્યું છે બેટા, લખાશે.
હા.
ઓકે.
એટલે નંબર ના લખ્યું હોય તો આપણે ના લખી શકીએ.
હા, ના લખી શકીએ.
ઓકે.
ઓકે.
And to me, it was a weak point of the presentation. And I think that some of the slides could have had fewer words.
And we could have done some fancy graphics with the words.
If you had to give yourselves a mark overall, how much would you give out of 10?
6, maybe? I'd be happy with that. Though bits were probably nearer a 7. So I'd say a 6. Anna, what do you think?
I think for me, it's perhaps a 7.
So, okay, that is 730 का answer, right? Any other doubt? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay, great. Next.
No, ma'am.
Okay, did you find
Okay. Now 31, 32 and 33.
No, ma'am.
Devansh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 34 and 35.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
36 to 40.
No, ma'am.
आप section 4 બધું correct છે? Oh, very good. કલાપિકા તારું બેટા?
એમાં 38 માં મેં ખાલી expansion લખ્યું. એમાં expansion plan છે આખો.
તું કેમ આખું નહીં લખતી દેવાંશી? સોરી કલાપિકા. આખું કેમ નહીં લખતી?
એમ પછી આગળનો આન્સર સાંભળવા માટે પછી ફટાફટ પછી ખાલી expansion.
હવે next time આ ખ્યાલ રાખજે. હા, but you have heard the word properly, right? Okay, next time just make sure word limit પ્રમાણે તો એટલું word સાંભળ ને, કઈ વાંધો નથી. One word નું હોય તો તું one word સાંભળું છું, ખબર પડે છે. But no more than 3 words કે 2 words આવે તો આખું લખી જ કાઢ ને એકવાર, પછી જોઈ લેજે. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
બીજું કઈ doubt છે?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm planning કે next weekend હું તમારું test લેવાનું વિચારું છું. Free રહેશો તમે?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
ઓકે, તો નેક્સ્ટ વીકેન્ડ એ કરીશું ને આપણું સેશન તો આજનું પતી જ ગયું છે. I won't be able to stress unnecessary for 2 hours because the thing is it is only you two and we are solving from when, તો મારા ખ્યાલથી હું ખોટું બે કલાક સુધી નહીં ખેંચી શકું. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So even I don't want to waste your time. So if there is any doubt, let me know. Okay? કઈ બી doubt છે કલાપિકા દેવાંશ તો મને કહી દો.
No, ma'am.
પાક્કું?
No, ma'am.
ઓકે.
ma'am.
ઓકે, તો કાલે પછી આપણે રીડિંગ કરીશું and writing task 2 બાકી હશે, બરાબર છે?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll do that tomorrow. We'll complete those session tomorrow. Because maximum time Sunday current નહીં રહેતું એટલે મેં 2 જ મોડ્યુલ કાલે રાખ્યું. And 3 modules we are done with today. તો આ પ્લીઝ લખી લેજો આજે. તો કાલે બસ task 2 લખવાનું રહે. ચાલશે?
ma'am.
Okay, great. So I'll be seeing you at 10 tomorrow. 10 would be fine. બરાબર છે?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So see you tomorrow then. Chalo, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you, ma'am.
Yeah, bye. Most welcome. Thanks for you being there. Chalo.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Ha.